How you feeling there, Jacob? That night driving?
Yeah. I didn't. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. This is a day.
All right.
I didn't sleep much last night.
I am gonna
So
give.
it's still yesterday for you.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I mean,
Great.
time generally doesn't have any meaning.
I think
Time
Jacob
is
is
big.
gonna go full bus this year.
It's gonna be good. Full bus is how to describe? In a lot of ways, it involves uncontrollable laughing, but it doesn't have to just be uncontrollable laughing.
Your soul
But
might
it-
leave your body.
Yeah, it's when you get so loopy that your soul leaves your body.
Oh, that's gonna be
Yeah.
fun.
And then
It's-
you'll watch yourself become more and more
Yeah,
what's the word? Just disconnected,
Unhinged.
unhinged.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
I
my
don't think
for
anybody
example, at
wants
my
that.
first desert bus, at Desert Bus 6, I went full bus because we used to have this singing Christmas hat that was like a Christmas hat that had like a motor in it that would like twitch and
I
everything.
think I saw that here.
And
Oh, there it is.
yeah, this
Yep.
this hat
Is profoundly cursed.
is profoundly cursed. And then people would also put a chicken on top of it.
Oh, they took the batteries out. Let me go get more batteries.
Yeah, so they would put a chicken on it. So it's singing Christmas music, but it's just a rubber chicken staring at you. And for whatever reason, someone wearing this and staring at me just completely broke me.
It twitches, kind
Well,
of.
just like
That's
at this
amazing.
point, I had survived several days of desert bus. I still didn't really know any of these people. I spent most of my time like crouched in a corner, way up there, like just waiting for the perfect moment to take a photo. And then that broke me so hard that I just like fell over, crying, laughing.
Amazing.
I believe Graham took my camera out of my hands just so he could take pictures of it, because I just like couldn't stop laughing. It was
Awesome.
unbelievable.
Does it play music too?
Oh God. Yeah. Okay.
Well,
Let's do it.
I armed it.
Yeah.
Armed it.
How do I make it go? I
I don't
turned it
remember.
on.
You
This
got
is
it.
actually a different scene.
Oh, this is a different
Yeah,
thing.
we killed the other one.
I think the other one did finally die.
It's gotta be.
Does it just randomly twitch then?
I don't. Oh no! I'm so sad if it doesn't turn on.
Well, like
I switched it on and it immediately
Did the
it snapped
battery-
to attention.
Are the batteries like securely?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's a different song.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Oh no, that's not. That's not safe for work. All right. Merry Christmas, baby.
Get lower.
They just made up their own. Come on and get your milk and cookies, it said.
Oh no.
It's dead.
So that is the Christmas hat. Oh dear.
That's
The original hat played "We Are Santa's Elves," which was way more
Yeah.
annoying though.
I really want to get two of them and then race them.
That song.
But by the time I saw it, it wasn't playing it well, so it was like very cursed,
Yeah.
very like low and slow.
that's
And there was a chicken on top.
it's
I
like
like the
this.
other song would trigger laughter.
Yeah, the our coworker Paul, who's on Dawn Guard, he put an Easter egg in our streaming office. That if
Oh,
you
yes.
pressed an unlabeled button, it would start playing "We Are
No,
Santa's Elves."
I thought it said don't push.
Yeah, it was labeled "Do Not Push."
Of course,
Yeah.
that means
So,
push it.
yes, exactly. So it would start playing "We Are Santa's Elves," and so in a panic to get this to shut off, you would then press the button again, which was rigged to start playing it again from the beginning. So you
So-
would have like 12 tracks going at once.
So it would play twice over top of itself.
So it would start playing in the round.
Yeah. Yeah. It was
Oh,
very
dang.
What a
good.
demon!
The highlights from that one were amazing because you got to see everybody like do that and then immediately make the mistake.
Yeah, like they thought that would turn it off.
Yeah.
I do actually have a
Oh
desert bus.
no.
That's
It's half speed Santa's
yeah,
Elves.
that's closer to what I remember.
Yeah.
Except also the twitching chicken.
Sorry.
They made Baby Shark do that earlier, and we had to dance to it.
Oh wow.